Another interesting surface shader is water. You can simulate water, and it has an animation, of course. Interesting of that. You can then activate animation on it, and you can see like a water surface, it has an animation. It is black and white code. You can assign it to the displacement also. Let's turn on displacement. In a color, you can go to the water and change the color of the water, and you can do something like that. It's your water surface, and then you can activate it in exactly that in water. It's better copy and paste, and then you can assign it to simple plane, and then going to render it. Now you can see we have interesting water surface here, and also it has an animation. You can see the water surface. Simple. If you render a MP4 in render setting, in output, for save, you can save MP4, and then you can see your animation. And in the water, let's turn it off. In the water, from here, we have a different setting. It's better I turn it off from here. And again, in water, another water, a new window, and has an animation. You can change the frequency in U. It means, for example, it's better to change it manually 5. Now with the frequency U and V, you can stretch in change the scale of the this black parts in any direction. Right click to 1, right click to 0. T frequency means time. You can change the timing of it. If you want to move them fast, you can time it. And you can, of course, change the wind effect on that. 5. Now we have more turbulence on noise. And again, black and white, you can use it in a displacement, alpha, transparency to simulate water surface. And then you can change the color. You see I change the color of my water in color channel, and then give it to the displacement as a black and white. And these two channel, and with a reflectance, interesting reflection on the surface of water, you can create a interesting water surface, 3D actually, 3D water surface.